Hi, this is Anna with WTI. I'm here to tell you about this great pillow insert. One of the reasons why I went with these pillows is because I try to do things really easy and I don't like to take things to the dry cleaner. So these are absolutely machine washable. One of the reasons why I like having feather and down pillows is because they really do hold their shape. You can do the designer's karate chop right in the center and they do really hold their shape. One thing that I like to do is actually go up a size for my pillow inserts. So if my pillowcase is a 20-inch square, I will go up to a 22, and that really fills out your pillowcases beautifully. They just look perfectly firm and they just have a very luxurious feeling. So if you want to end up with this, you have to start with this, the OTOSTAR pillow insert. And that's my point of view.